Thank you for tuning in to Savannah in the Kitchen and joining us as Savannah learns how to cook delicious, quick, and easy meals.
Welcome back to Savannah in the Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. If this is your first time here, welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss another one of our videos.
Well, that was a tongue twister there.
Yes, I definitely
Wow,
was.
you got it out. But seriously, hit the subscribe button. Turn on the little bell. You'll never miss our videos. It helps us out. So we look forward to it. So Savannah, what's on the menu today?
So, we are doing a chocolate smoothie.
Chocolate smoothie?
Yes.
Oh, I like chocolate.
We know.
Didn't have any cookies today.
That is true.
I didn't,
I know.
but I had a brownie.
Well, good thing this is a healthy chocolate smoothie.
Okay, wow, healthy chocolate. I
Yep.
love it. Stay tuned. Let's see what she's going to do this week.
So let's get started.
Chocolate smoothie.
Uh-huh.
I see avocado, banana,
Uh-huh.
and that's chocolate powder. I
Mm-hmm.
was expecting a chocolate bar.
Want a Hershey bar?
I would love a Hershey bar.
Go to the store.
All right, okay. All right, so we've got almond milk.
Yes.
I like vanilla almond milk.
Yes.
We covered that last week.
Probably cannot see that.
They can't?
Oh,
I'll move it over here.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Okay.
So,
Yes. So you're going to get started adding everything together and then we blend it? Okay.
let's do it.
All right.
Alright, so with that,
I'll pour the milk.
Yes. So we're going to add one whole banana.
That we chopped up off camera.
Yes.
Do you need a spoon?
Yeah, we're sticking it low.
Okay, let me get you a spoon. There you go.
Okay.
Let me put that in the sink.
Thank you. And we have a half of an avocado.
Half of an avocado.
Half an avocado.
Okay.
And the avocado just adds makes it creamier. And
It's nutritious.
yeah, it's a big health
Finish with
factor.
this?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a big health factor too. So
Okay.
banana and avocado are both very
Healthy.
healthy
Okay.
things, and
And here comes my favorite, the chocolate.
mhm.
All right.
So this is 4 teaspoons
Teaspoons. Very good.
of cocoa powder
Okay.
and about 6-ish ice cubes. Because he likes his ice.
I do like my ice cubes.
And
What's an ish?
ish.
Like
I didn't
6 could
count.
be 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't count.
Could
so
be
there could
5.
be 5, there could be
Okay.
6.
All right, very good.
I didn't count. There's a max fill line,
Okay.
or at least this kind of blender.
Okay.
But if you do not have one with like a max fill, or it's just
Okay.
looks like it's too much milk for you, we added, it's about a cup or so,
Yeah.
up to the max fill line for this.
Okay.
It's about a cup. So you can just add more or less depending
All right.
on what you want.
Shall I add it?
Yep.
Okay. And this is vanilla almond milk.
Yes.
I like this stuff.
And keep in mind, if you use almond
Almond
milk,
milk?
it could alter the taste a little bit. It could, I don't
It
know
could.
if it will, but it could.
But it could.
It could.
Because some people could be using regular 2% milk. And then
Yeah,
it's going to
too.
taste a little bit different.
Yeah.
It's not going to have vanilla in
Exactly. And almond milk is just a alternative to normal 2%. So.
it. Okay. All right. I like that. We covered that last week. I like
Yeah.
almond milk. You
Yeah.
like almond milk?
Yeah,
It's healthier for you.
Yep.
All right.
Sure it's all.
Got it all tight?
Let me do this.
Okay. Shake it up. All right.
Break my blender.
They don't break your blender.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is going to be very loud. Last week.
Yeah,
Right.
covered this last
We're
week.
going to blend it 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
If after 30 seconds it looks like it needs a little more.
We'll let you guys know, but you guys are only going to hear about 2 seconds.
Okay, so you ready?
Yep.
Wow,
Good. Yep.
that was loud.
But
Oh, very loud. But it looks good.
it does.
Well, it looks like-
chocolate milk.
Does look like chocolate milk.
Yeah.
I was starting to get excited. Okay, so we blended everything.
Blender.
Yeah, we need to take it out. Okay.
You're going to keep
me to open it?
Sure.
All right. I'm kind of excited.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's a smoothie.
Yeah, and it's chocolate.
And it looks like chocolate milk.
Excited to try it.
Well,
That looks delicious.
that looks so good. That looks very thick.
Mhm.
All right. So I have 2 glasses here.
Mhm.
Let me move this out of the way because I end up pouring it into that.
Yeah, let's not pour it into the ice.
No? Okay. So we have our 2 glasses. Pour it out. Let's see.
It's definitely thick.
Right.
See, last week with the strawberry banana smoothie, we had it's a bit more liquidy.
It was very
This
thin.
is, yeah,
But you like it like that.
I do, and you do not. So,
Right. I like it more like a milkshake.
which is
Of course,
why you add more ice.
I'm kind of new to the smoothie scene.
Mhm.
But that's okay.
Hey, me too. I just started it maybe a month or 2 ago, so
Okay.
we're both kind of new.
Ah, okay.
Why don't you try
Well,
it
you know
first?
what's nice about this? We have a little bit left.
Yes.
Because Aunt Tracy just got home.
Yes, she did.
Auntie's home.
I'll have to share.
We don't have to share. We
We
want to
should.
share. Actually, what we should do is have her taste this.
We should.
All right, well, here we go. I'm going to taste it. Smell the bananas.
Mhm.
That's not bad. It's not as sweet, but that's not bad. It's very thick.
And it's not bad.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah. And I'm sure you can add more or
Oh, I like
less
that.
of.
I do. I think, like it's hot on the boat
Mhm.
when we get home. I'm thinking I'm going to make one of these.
Okay. Yeah, I mean it's very minimal effort.
Oh, yeah, because
I mean-
you don't put a whole lot of effort out for anything.
Hey, shut up.
Oh, you don't?
I do.
Okay, all right. So what are we doing next week?
They'll find out next week.
Oh, I have to wait too?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I feel like I'm a guinea pig.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Well, at least you're getting like some new smoothies to try
Mhm.
to help you with your exercise
Yep.
program. Yep, that's going well. All right. So we'll see them next week
Yes, we will.
with a different smoothie.
Yes. And it doesn't necessarily every week we won't always do smoothies.
Oh, we're
Just
not?
come up with different
good.
things.
So we're gonna do cakes,
No,
pies,
healthy.
healthy. Okay. Tune in next week. We're gonna eat carrots. No, we're not gonna do that. But
Do you like to eat carrots?
no. All right. So hey, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.
See you next week. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing.